In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to Canva. By the end, you will be able to bring Excel data straight into your Canva designs. First, open Canva on your computer. If you are on the home page, you should see your recent designs, templates, and a search bar near the top. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where you want to use your Excel data. On a slow connection, give Canva a moment to fully load so every button and menu appears before you move on. Now start a new design or open an existing design. You can choose any size, like a presentation, a poster, or a social media post. When the editor opens, you will see your blank page or existing layout in the center, with a toolbar on the left side. If you open an existing design, the new Excel content will be added on top of what you already have, not replace it, so your current work stays safe. Next, upload your Excel xlsx file. Look to the left side of the editor and choose the option that lets you bring files into Canva, then pick your Excel file from your computer. Once you select the file, it will begin uploading, and you will see a small progress indicator while Canva processes it. If the wrong file comes in, you can simply remove it from the design and upload the correct one again. After the upload finishes, Canva will open the spreadsheet in Canva Sheets. A new tab or panel appears showing a grid of rows and columns that should look very similar to Excel. You will see your sheet names as tabs if your workbook has more than one sheet. At this point, your original Excel file on your computer does not change because Canva is working with a copy of the data inside your design. With the sheet open, review or edit your Excel data. You can click into any cell to change text, numbers, or headings. If the columns look too narrow, you can widen them so long labels are visible and easier to work with. A helpful detail here is that simple edits, like fixing spelling or updating values, are saved instantly in the Canva design, so you do not need any separate save step. Check that numbers that should be numbers have no stray spaces, since messy data can make later charts look wrong. Once your data looks the way you want, you can then use the data to create charts, visuals, or other Canva content. Select the table or specific columns and turn them into bar charts, line charts, or other visual elements available in Canva. You can place those charts directly onto your design page, resize them, and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand or template style. A nice trick is to keep the sheet open in one tab of the editor while you fine-tune the chart on the page, since changes in the sheet can update what the chart shows. So now you have connected an Excel file to Canva and turned that data into editable Canva content. If this helped you get your Excel data working inside Canva, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Canva tips.